Here's a great deal on a 2008 INFINITI EX35. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. INFINITI prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, power front seats, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. INFINITI ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.